The expressions and equations. First one is the difference. Difference means what? Subtract. So the difference of r and 3 is r minus 3. It says the quotient is 4 and f. So the quotient of 4 and f is no more than 12.
Less than or equal to 12.
No more than
12.
we like let.
Because you can get 12 or you can get less than 12.
No more than 12. Could be 12. It can be more than 12. Here, get your numbers on one side, variables on the other. To me, the quickest thing to do is to subtract 2x on both sides. If you subtract 2x, you also have to subtract 16. Subtract 16, that gives me negative 30. So x is negative 3. Guys, the thing that I've been trying to harp on you, the thing I've been trying to harp to you to do is to take the extra time to check this, because negative 6 minus 14 is negative 20. And then you come over here and you take your negative 3 and you go 12 times negative 3 is negative 36 plus 16 is negative 20. And when that happens, you guarantee that's right. That's correct. Right? Here.
You like go over that word problem? That's only
Which one?
word problem.
Yeah, I'll get to those in just a second. If you look back there on the sheet, you'll see them. I accidentally skipped B here. 17 is, what does is mean? So equals 17. 5 more than the product of 9 and x, so 9x plus 5. Okay, we got to set it up. Okay, right, distributive property, 4 times 3 minus 5x. 12.
12 minus 25x.
Minus 20x
Plus 9.
equals negative 2x minus 15. Now, the thing that we talked about the other day is make sure you understand that this stuff right here is on the same side. Since it's on the same side, the equal side, guys, you just combine like terms. So negative 20x plus 21 equals negative 2x minus 15. Then again, guys, I'm always going to do the same thing. I'll always take the lesser thing and move it over there. So when I add 20 to both sides, that gives me 18x. When I subtract this over here, or excuse me, add this over here, that gives me 36. Again, guys, the whole point of skipping all these steps is not just to relieve you of the work. Guys, it's to, now that you've finished, you got a time here. You can come up here and go 3 minus negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So that's 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. So on this side, I get negative 28. So on the other side, I'd plug a 2 in there. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 minus 15 is negative 19. Well, look, guys, I got something wrong. Negative 28 is not equal to negative 19. Can anybody see what mistake I made right there? Guys, that's one of the things that happens to us as we work through a problem and we check it, and I got to look and see if I can find the mistake right now. I found the mistake because I forgot to do this plus 9 right here. But that happens to you sometimes, and negative 19 is equal to negative 19, so it's the correct answer. But guys, that happens to you as you work through the test. As you were working through a problem, whatever it was you did, you thought that was the right thing. So right here, when I did 4 times negative 7 and got negative 28, I thought I was doing it right, but I forgot the plus 9 right there, which gives me negative 19 that I'm looking for. That happens to you guys. When it does, just work a couple of problems ahead and then come back without that fresh on your mind and then see if you can't find the mistake. Too often, we still just either don't check it, because I think some of you are afraid to find out that you missed it, because you're so afraid that you'll go, I don't know how to do this. Guys, you're going to know how to do all the problems. You just got to eliminate the mistakes. It says find the quotient of the two solutions below. So when I add, I subtract 4.5 to the other side, it gives me negative 3x equals negative 9. So x is 3. Over here, y plus y over 2 equals 4. So y is 8. So the quotient of those is 3/8. Just find the quotient of this. Take your calculator, do 3 divided by 8. So that's what quotient is divide. Like I said, I'm going to stop right here with these, and I'm going to skip that next section so I can at least talk to you guys about some stuff with some of the stuff below. You can pick the rest of the problems up